Protect, plan, and prosper. How to recapture, recycle, and reuse your money. Brought to you by LegacyInsuranceAgency.com. My name is Barry Page, registered financial consultant and infinite banking concept coach. I want to talk to you about becoming your own banker, unlocking the infinite banking concept. I'm a registered financial consultant, a member of NAIFA, an experienced independent licensed insurance agent, an infinite banking concept think tank member, Money Tracks Leap, and Wealth and Wisdom licensee. I'm a father. I'm a coach, a business owner, a consultant, a publisher, and an author. Why should you listen to me? Well, after a life of hard knocks and several years as a financial advisor, I've realized that traditional financial planning does not work. I've experienced the ups and downs of real estate investing, stock market investing, self-employment, and life. I have the tools and resources to help you protect your family, your business, and your finances. And I can show you how to grow your wealth. Becoming Your Own Banker, Unlocking the Infinite Banking Concept, is a best-selling book by author Nelson Nash, creator of the Infinite Banking Concept. Basics of finance. The very first principle that must be understood is that you finance everything that you buy. You either pay interest to someone else or you give up interest you could have earned otherwise. Nelson Nash. What is infinite banking? Infinite banking is a way to free yourself from financial slavery, stop depending on the government, and create generational wealth. It is a guaranteed way to grow your family's wealth without the risk and worry of traditional investing. It is a way to protect your family and business from wealth transfers without the cost and fees of hiring accountants and lawyers. It is a way to finance everything that you buy through your own bank without depending on traditional banks and financial institutions. How does infinite banking work? Through a custom-designed, participating whole life insurance policy, by recapturing the interest and fees that you now pay to others, through deposits and loans through your own bank, by giving you access to capital while you're alive, by utilizing the inherent qualities of a dividend-paying whole life insurance policy from a mutual life insurance company custom built by an IBC agent to fit your goals. Why life insurance? Life insurance is predictable and sound. Life insurance policies can be customized for you. Life insurance provides benefits not found in other financial products. Life insurance provides protection and savings. Life insurance provides tax benefits. Life insurance is generational. What type of life insurance? Life insurance comes in many types. Term life insurance provides protection. It's comparable to renting a home. It's temporary. Whole life insurance, on the other hand, provides protection and savings. It's comparable to owning your home. It's permanent. There are other types of life insurance. There's variable, universal, indexed, and other hybrids. Infinite banking works best with whole life insurance. Whole life insurance from a mutual life insurance company pays dividends. Whole life insurance provides liquidity, use, and control. There are other types of life insurance companies. Mutual life insurance companies are owned and controlled by their policyholders. Stock-based life insurance companies are controlled by their shareholders, stockholders. In life, sometimes we need tools to complete our goals. Life insurance is a financial tool. Whole life insurance is a better tool. And an IBC whole life policy from a mutual life insurance company is an even better tool. Benefits of infinite banking. You learn the financial secrets that could save you and your family from financial disaster. Hundreds of thousands of dollars can be identified for recapture, money that is currently being lost through taxes, interest, and improperly structured plans. Your overall risk will be reduced while your wealth and spendable income will increase. Your goals will be designed to self-complete regardless if you live to be 120 years old, die too soon, become disabled, get sued, or the stock market crashes. Some uses of infinite banking: asset protection, family protection, business protection, financing for autos, business, etc., dependable retirement planning, flexible education planning, simplified long-term care, access to capital. It's infinite. How does infinite banking compare to other investments? IBC policies offer guaranteed growth, and gains are guaranteed against loss. Most other investments do not offer guarantees and often lose money. IBC policies will self-complete if you die, become disabled, or live to be 120. Most other investments stop when your payment does. IBC policies are built with mutual companies dating back 100 years plus, paying dividends through the market crashes and depressions. IBC policies can be put on autopilot and will continue to grow predictably. Other investments do not offer the predictability and safety. IBC policies recapture and save you taxes for you and your heirs. Other investments do not offer these benefits. IBC policies offer you peace of mind. Other investments create anxiety and broken dreams. Risk. When a broker or advisor tells you that they can get you a higher rate of return, who takes the risk? Do you fear losing your hard-earned money in the stock market? Are you tired of the roller coaster? Here's the 10-year history of the Dow Jones. If you notice, there's no gain after 10 years. The Dow's stuck at 11,000. It's gone up, it's gone down. Some people made money, but most people lost money during the greatest bull market of all time. Do you like taking risk? Headlines. Notice the date, February 23rd, 2009, about the time that President Obama was put into office. If you notice, the Dow is just above 7,000, 7141. So, yes, people made money over the past year, but how much did they lose the year before? And how long will it take just to get back to zero? Why hasn't my other advisor told me about IBC? Most advisors work for the financial institutions, and they do what they're told. They're told to sell the latest, greatest financial products. This includes Dave Ramsey and Susie Orman. IBC advisors are usually independent and represent mutual companies. Most life insurance companies are stock-based companies. Other advisors have not taken the time to educate themselves on IBC. If they did, they would understand it, and they'd be doing it too. IBC advisors invest in their education to gain specialized knowledge. More problems. The government is constantly changing the rules of the game via tax laws. Retirement plans, things that you're doing today, might not work tomorrow, so it's difficult to plan. Business deal with Uncle Sam. That's what IRAs are. They're an agreement with Uncle Sam, and the terms of the agreement are unknown. There's strings attached. And the government has found ways to enter the market via qualified plans and entitlement programs. There's human factors that we must deal with. Parkinson's Law. It says expenses rise to equal income. A luxury, once enjoyed, becomes a necessity. Willie Sutton's Law. Wherever wealth is accumulated, someone will try to steal it. The Golden Rule. Those that have the gold make the rules. Your objective should be to collect the gold. The Arrival Syndrome. I already know everything, so there's no point in trying to teach me something new. Malcolm Forbes said, "The dumbest people I know are those that know it all." Will Rogers said, "The problem in America is not what people know, it's what they think they know, just ain't so." IBC versus traditional financing. When you finance, you pay interest to someone else, and there's a lost opportunity cost on that money, that interest that you pay to someone else. When you lease, you rent from someone else. There's lost opportunity cost because of that money that you paid to someone else. There's usually fees involved, and there's no asset at the end of the lease. You can pay cash and therefore not have to pay interest, but you give up the ability to earn interest. So there's a lost opportunity cost on that money. The very first principle that must be understood is you finance everything that you buy. You either pay interest to someone else or you give up interest you could have earned otherwise. Nelson Nash, author of Becoming Your Own Banker. Comparing traditional financing to becoming your own banker. An IBC loan. You make a loan against your cash value for any reason without qualifying. No paperwork, no Mickey Mouse questions. Be an honest banker and pay your loan back with interest. When you do, you recapture principal and interest. You build wealth income tax-free and you secure your retirement. Leasing. You can start your own leasing company. Make a loan against your cash value for capital needs or equipment. Receive rent from your investments. Pay your business loan back with interest. Recapture principal and interest. And build wealth income tax-free. Liquid. Remain solvent with access to capital. Use your money to do whatever you want. Regain control of your asset until you die and for generations thereafter. You simplify estate planning. What sounds better to you, traditional financing or becoming your own banker? Words of wisdom. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Ben Franklin. Your investment in the book, Becoming Your Own Banker, will pay you interest and dividends if you practice the principles outlined in this book. You can get it here at infinitebanking.org. That's infinitebanking.org. Protect, Plan, and Prosper. How to recapture, recycle, and reuse your money. Brought to you by LegacyInsuranceAgency.com. Get started today. Don't put it off. Call me direct at 1-888-845-3422. I look forward to talking to you, but more importantly, helping you and your family achieve the success and peace of mind that you so deserve. Call me now, 1-888-845-3422. Carpe diem.